Okay, first of all, congratulations on the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 to everyone. So today, as I told, we'll be having the explanation of map. So let's begin. As you can see on the board, there is a chart. That is the map. Can you see over there? Okay. So there are 5 things which is very important in the map explanation. The first thing is analyze the chart properly. Analyzing the chart is very much important. As आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक map दिख रहा है आपको. What is map? Map is about an area. हो सकता है एक building हो सकती है, एक university हो सकती है, जैसे about a university. ठीक है? So first point which you need to remember is analyzing your map. Second is identifying the location and the changes. And third important thing is you have to make 4 total paragraphs. How many paragraphs you need to make? Paragraph is of introduction. The second is overview, and it's your choice if you want to make an overall at the end of the map. Okay? And we have 2 body paragraphs. And in BP2, you have to explain the changes as compared to the what? BP1. BP1 में जो आपने describe किया उसके comparison में आपने क्या बताने हैं? Changes बताने हैं. ठीक है? Can I ask one question from you all? Okay, my question is for everyone. English में हर letter में vowel होते हैं. Do you know what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Can anyone tell me the word, a longest word? That means it could be around of 6 words, 6 alphabets. ठीक है? So can you tell me any word जो कि जिसमें कि vowel नहीं आता है? Think any one of you. Any word. Rhythm. Okay, he has given the right answer. So I have a Kit Kat break for you. Vocabulary part, which is a very important part of your map. If year is mentioned, then you have to write year. Otherwise, आप straight away क्या लिख सकते हो? The transformation has taken place in the university. ठीक है, उसमें आपको year लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. As simple, उसकी surroundings में changes हुए हैं. University and its surroundings. ठीक, this is the format of your introduction. Now, after introduction, as I told, that there will be a overall. Up to you. If you want to write overall at the end of the body paragraph, you can do that. ठीक है, you have to just explain your first part. And in BP2, you have to explain the changes as compared to the what? BP1. BP1 में जो आपने describe किया उसके comparison में आपने क्या बताने हैं? Changes बताने हैं. ठीक है? Many of the students are asking कि मैम body paragraph 1 में starting में क्या use करें? So the better way one is use the year. ठीक है? Instead of writing anything else. अब question आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि मैम year नहीं दिया होगा. अगर क्या दिया होगा? Past और present form दिया होगा तब क्या करेंगे? हम क्या लिखेंगे? In the past. ठीक है? और BP2 में क्या लिखेंगे? Now. ठीक है? अब आपने प्रेजेंट ईयर को 2023 नहीं मानना है. ठीक है? Children writing class one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I would like to take your feedback. Sandita, stand up and tell me what you feel about today's class.
It was very productive class and I got many new ideas that can emulate my scores, and I feel that it was very good to know so many new ideas that I have got to know that I wasn't familiar with.